cracking on with a bit of ploughing now. This is my second day at it now. And you might be able to tell I'm not driving what you normally see me drive. It's the 68 years broken down. So we resorted to putting the T6 on. So here the 68 years, she's blown an oil pipe underneath the cab. Yesterday tea time it did it. And she's literally dumped all her back end oil out. I went over to Russell's this morning first thing. As usual, they didn't have a pipe in what we want. There's only one of these pipes in the country on their stock. Just typical, it wasn't where I was. So they were going to order that in, and overnight delivery, and it should be with them at their depot in the morning. So hopefully we'll get her up and running again and back on this job. Yeah, I've seriously missed the horsepower today. The 10 acre I did below this one was quite heavy land at the bottom end of it, and it appears this tractor's got no pull. It's just got no grunt, so just to get going and keep going. As soon as it gets to a tough bit, it's literally just dying on you. We're keeping going, that's the main thing. Going a little bit. Up here I've got a 16 acre and an 8 acre left after I finish this 5 acre. And then back at the main farm I've got an 18 acre to do. And I think that'll be it for this year. One of my discs fell off and half the day, bearing's gone. That fell off. Luckily it was just sticking up out of a furrow. I did manage to see it. But I have had them fall off before and they've just buried, and I've never found them till the following year when I've ploughed them up again. keep plodding on with this bit. Sun will be setting soon. 6 o'clock now. Sun disappears when you're working in these dales. And we'll catch up with you in a little while, hopefully. It will be back on a 60-80. Right, howdy folks. So, you might be able to tell, still on the old T6, just had my lunch. I thought I would just get Jeroni out while we're having dinner. So yeah, not got the 60-80 fixed yet. I think we've got the oil pipe. We've just not got round to getting it put on as yet. This field is a 16 acre that I'm in now. I got yesterday, I didn't have a full day at all, about 15 acre ploughed yesterday. It wasn't an early start in the morning. At least we're getting a little bit blacked over now. Should be on drilling next week, I would think. Bang on a tram line right now, so she's not particularly liking it. The slurry store's been emptied. That's been spread on here. You'll be able to see all the dark stripes. That's been spread out of a slurry store with a tanker spreader. It's too thick for the slurry tanker to suck it up, so hired in the spreader and emptied that out. Got all the box muck on here as well. proving to be quite, it's tougher than I thought actually up here. This part of the field's usually really loose going, but it is actually proving to be tougher than I thought actually. Like just up this part of the field now is usually real sandy, really light landing. Whether it's just got paddled a little bit. I've still not got my disc put back on. I forgot to bring circlips with me, a new packet of circlips. So I've not got that back on. But I'm not particularly needing it, really. It's not too bad in a stubble without it. There is a bit of moisture actually in the soil. So they aren't as dry as what first thought they might have been. Going uphill this tractor, it's just struggles a bit going up here. Just trying to concentrate on what I'm doing and where the drone is. Takes a little bit of concentration to do all this. Right guys, just parked up for the night. Just parked that up. It's the T6 and the plough. Just thought while I was here I'd quickly show you. Well, there you can see a trail of oil on the floor there, a pool of oil there, There's a trail of oil there, it's like that all the way up the road. That's where we sat and dropped the plough off yesterday. Oil everywhere. Yeah, just in here. Just in there, where is it? You can see it. Just there. There's a metal pipe attaches to that there. And it runs round to the right there. It goes over the top of the casting and it drops down the back side of the diesel tank, that's where it went on the fitting there. Couldn't be in a worse place to get to. I don't actually know what its job is. So yeah, that's what we're waiting for this. Just that pipe. So she's having a little bit of a rest. Whatever it does, it seriously dumped a lot of oil out rather rapidly. I don't think there's anything left on the sight glass now. Have a look at that. No, there's not a drop of oil on the sight glass. So yeah, hopefully she'll be back in action tomorrow. All being well. Because that thing is absolutely gutless. There's no bottom end grunt with it whatsoever. Whether it needs a computer on it and something doing with it, I don't know. Or chip it. And there's me disc that fell off. All the hub's still on there. It's probably likely that my circlip's just come off that holds it on. There'll be a circlip in there on the hub. If I take that off, it's probably just my circlip that's come off. It's not a major disaster in stubbles, so. Right, we will grab me stuff. We'll bugger off home. That Zeta, far better with a Zeta. Straight pipe exhaust on, wakes everybody up in the dale. Right, well, I'll catch you another day, guys. Jump in the old chariot and get on for some tea.